10 lines on Internet Explorer for students and children in English. Set 1. 10 lines on Internet Explorer for kids. Set 1 is helpful for students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1. A computer program application that is used by us for finding and looking at websites. 2. Internet Explorer is popularly called IE as a short form. 3. In the Internet Explorer project at Microsoft, around 1,000 people were involved. 4. Software developed by Microsoft in 1995 for Internet surfing. 5. This software is already installed in the Windows operating system. 6. Around 2003, the Internet browser recorded the most user share, which was about 95%. 7. The usage of IE had considerably declined after other free web browsers came into the market. 8. After some time, an IE software version was developed to support Xbox users. 9. After the 11th version of Internet Explorer, Microsoft introduced a new browser called Edge. 10. The security vulnerability of this web browser had been one of the reasons for the downfall of Internet Explorer. Set 2. 10 lines on Internet Explorer for students and children, school students. Set 2 is helpful for students of classes 6, 7 and 8. 1. The Internet Explorer project of Microsoft had started by Thomas Reardon and around 6 people in 1994. 2. By the late 90s, the Microsoft project of Internet Explorer involved more than 1,000 people. 3. The first version of Internet Explorer was installed as an add-on package in 1995 for Windows 95. 4. From 2000 to 2003 was a golden period for Internet Explorer, as it covered around 95% of the market share for a web browser. 5. Internet Explorer defeated Netscape, which was once the leading web browser of the 90s. 6. The internet security issue were proven when a malware fake IE was created, which dragged the name of Internet Explorer to the dirt. 7. The flaws in the security structure of the Internet Explorer caused spyware, adware, and computer viruses enter the user's devices. 8. The German government officially asked their citizens to switch to a different web browser from Internet Explorer because of its security issues. 9. In 2015, Internet Explorer was replaced by a new web browser introduced by Microsoft called Microsoft Edge. 10. The extensions and add-ons such as the search engine toolbar in Internet Explorer were created by third-party companies. Set 3. 10 lines on Internet Explorer for higher class students. Set 3 is helpful for students of classes 9, 10, 11, 12 and competitive exams. 1. Microsoft Internet Explorer MSIE, commonly known as Internet Explorer IE. The first version of Internet Explorer was installed as a part of the Microsoft Jumpstart Kit in 1995 for the operating system version called Windows 95 and the Plus. 3. The Internet Explorer was scrutinized because of using the source code of Spyglass Mosaic without providing any royalty for the earlier version of Internet Explorer. 4. After the 80% hike in the adoption rate of Internet Explorer in 2000, the Internet Explorer won in the first browser war. 5. Before Edge came, the last version of Internet Explorer ranked 8th as per StatCounter's report. 6. On 31st January 2020, the extended support for Internet Explorer 10 came to be a complete end. 7. Since 2016, Internet Explorer 11 has been the official support web browser for users. 8. With the incoming of new competition in the market like Firefox and Google Chrome, more users switched to different web browsers than the Internet browser. 9. 1st June 2020 marked the termination of Internet Explorer as the Internet Archive removed even the last version of Internet Explorer. 10. Now Microsoft will work forward in updating Microsoft Edge to provide the best web browsing experience.